A mega hydro-photovoltaic complementary power station went into operation on Sunday in the Tibetan Autonomous Prefecture of Garze in China's Sichuan province. The Kela photovoltaic power station in Yajiang County is the world's largest and highest altitude hydro-photovoltaic complementary power station. It's the first phase of the Lianghe hydropower plant's hydro-PV complementary project. Covering an area of some 1,667 hectares, the Kela photovoltaic power station has an installed capacity of 1 million kilowatts and can generate an average of 2 billion kilowatts-hour annually, reducing carbon dioxide emissions by more than 1.6 million tons per year. With a planned total installed capacity of 3 million kilowatts, the Lianghe hydropower plant is located on the Yalong River in Garze. The Yalong River Basin is one of China's clean energy bases.